So today's video was going to be all about how I found this really sweet dashboard to keep track of my vehicle stats, during my Gaslands games. How I stealthily hunted it down on
Crikey!
Thingiverse, primed it, painted it, and with a little hack thrown in about how to get these crispy letters and numbers like you see on mine. But then I thought, it's the Christmas season. Why not give up a little painting hack and a little knowledge bomb? One that surprisingly very few people know about, but it is literally a repository of near infinite information. Text, files, games, books, music, literally anything and everything can be found here. And I'm going to show it to you later in my video. But for right now, we're going to pause for a little bit of station identification. Welcome to the Real Killer DM channel, a channel dedicated to the pursuit of fun through tabletop gaming. I have been getting into Gaslands a lot lately, and if you watch my previous videos on Gaslands, you know that I 3D print a lot of things like movement templates, bullet dice, shotgun shell dice, weapons, armor, lift kits, tank treads, turrets, and more. I love 3D printing. I do it every day. And that's where this journey started, on Thingiverse, where I found the dashboard of my Gasland dreams. I hurriedly printed off 4 of them, and I plan to print off more when I can restock my filament. Printing as much as I do can really be a costly habit, if you know what I mean.
You're broke!
And actually, I am working on a new video called What I 3D Print in a Week. When I tell people that I have 2 3D printers and that I am constantly printing on them, people just don't comprehend what that means. So in that video, I'm going to show you what I churn out in a week for myself, and I'm sure you will be amazed at the scope of my prints.
Oh my god! Wow!
So make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss that video. If you are a new subscriber, we welcome you as a new member to the Killer family. Also, if you like my content and you want to support me, the best way to do that is to smash that like button and share this video out with your gaming friends. Once they were done on the 3D printer, I took them outside and I shot them with a base coat of sapphire blue. Now that they're done, I just need to do the lettering. For that, I'm not going to be painting them with my brush. Instead, I like to use paint pens. They make the lettering so much easier. I don't use the tip of the pen for this. I like to turn it sideways and just kind of glide it over the lettering. I feel like I get better results, and I don't usually have the clogging or the blobbing issues like I do when I use just the tip. I painted Gaslands, ammo, and vehicle tracker in gold, gear and hull points in silver, and hazards in red. When I was done, this is what it looks like. Do you like it? Let me know in the comments below. I love to hear from you, and now that I'm back out of the hospital again, I promise you will get a response. And now for the other secret gift I promised you. Let me introduce you to the internetarchive.org. It is one of my favorite sites on the interweb. You will find STL files to print your own 3D minis if you like any of the Dungeons & Dragons miniatures or other games. They are on there. They got them. You want to peek at old school Dungeons & Dragons modules and books? Do you want to see every issue of Dragon magazine going all the way back into the 70s? They got them. You like retro games? The Internet Archive helped me complete my retro arcade machine. Check this out. 124,225. That's how many video games I have on here in this particular collection. And it's not just games. No, no, no. They have music, books, comic books, anime, art. You can literally get lost for days and days just browsing this site. It really is amazing, and just a FYI, this is where I archive all of my content from YouTube. All of my raw videos, pictures, scripts, recordings, everything. Well, that's all I have for you on this video. I hope you check out the internetarchive.org. It really is awesome. Happy holidays, and I'll see you in the next video.